Two late-stage trials for dry and wet AMD drug candidates begin. A wearable aid designed to enhance vision with an AI-powered visual assistant is unveiled, and the ASCRS launches a new educational initiative aimed at enhancing ATIOL adoption. Hello, I'm Rana Jaraha. Welcome to iWire News, the podcast. In our top story, two companies making drug candidates for dry and wet AMD announced the initiation of Phase 3 trials. First, Annexon announced patient dosing was initiated in the global pivotal Phase 3 ARCHER-2 trial evaluating ANX007 for the treatment of geographic atrophy. The company says the trial is the only GA pivotal program utilizing visual protection as the global regulatory aligned primary endpoint. Top-line data for ARCHER-2 is expected in the second half of 2026. ANX007 is the only therapeutic candidate for GA to date to receive priority medicine designation in the European Union and granted fast-track designation from the FDA. Also this week, Ocular Therapeutix announced that the first patients have been enrolled in the Phase 3 SOL-R trial evaluating repeat dosing of AXPAXLI, a bioresorbable hydrogel implant for the treatment of wet AMD. The trial is intended to randomize approximately 825 patients who are treatment naive or diagnosed with wet AMD in the study eye within 3 months before enrollment. Repeat dosing of AXPAXLI every 6 months will be compared to 2 milligrams of aflibercept, dosed every 8 weeks. The primary endpoint is non-inferiority in mean BCVA change from baseline between the AXPAXLI and on-label aflibercept arms at 1 year. The FDA notified Ocular Therapeutix this week that the SOL-R trial is appropriate as an adequate and well-controlled study in support of a potential NDA and product label. Ocular said it expects the ongoing SOL-1 and SOL-R Phase 3 trials to form the basis for the regulatory filing of AXPAXLI, assuming successful completion. Vision enhancement technology maker Idaptic has unveiled the i6 with IV, a wearable aid designed to enhance vision and provide an AI-powered visual assistant. The i6 is the next generation of Idaptic's smart glasses, which includes IV, an interactive visual assistant to help and empower individuals with AMD and other retinal disorders. The i6 with IV leverages advanced multimodal generative AI and large language models to visualize and interpret real-time information, helping to improve daily living experiences. The IV visual assistant can read text, describe a room, locate objects, and help users with other daily tasks and activities that otherwise may not have been possible due to their vision loss. Abilities.
Another common question we can ask IV is to describe a room to us. If we want to do this, we can take a picture and ask IV, "What am I looking at?" When we ask her this question, she'll give us a detailed response about the room or scene that we're in. For example, we can have her describe a room. I could take a picture and say, "IV, what am I looking at?"
You're looking at an indoor setting with a black leather sofa that has a blue and white striped cushion on it. To the left of the sofa, there's a small black table with a potted plant on top. To the right of the sofa, there's another potted plant on the floor and a tall floor lamp with a square white shade. The room appears to be a waiting area or a casual office lounge.
By painting such a vivid description, she really makes you feel like you can see the entire room.
The i6 with IV is fluent in 99 languages and will be introduced today at the American Retina Forum National Meeting in Carlsbad, California. In a move to enhance the adoption of advanced technology IOLs, the American Society of Cataract and Refractive Surgery has launched a new educational initiative called the ASCRS Business of Refractive Cataract Surgery Summit. ASCRS says the summit aims to equip practices with the knowledge, resources, and confidence to enhance the adoption of advanced technology IOLs. The summit is scheduled to take place September 27th and 28th in Irving, Texas, and will offer more than 18 hours of in-person coursework. The program's leadership says attendees will have access to an extensive online resource library, which includes customizable business forms, checklists, and educational slideshows. The program's enrollment includes both a surgeon and a practice team member. Dr. Vance Thompson, who is serving as president of ASCRS, will also serve as chair of the new program. In a video posted on the ASCRS website, Dr. Thompson discussed the goal of the summit. Here is a clip from that video.
The ASCRS Business of Refractive Cataract Surgery Summit brings together doctors and business leaders of practices who have healthy practices because they have really figured out how to deliver this hybrid future of the practice of medicine consisting of both patient pay and insurance-based services. This 2-day, highly focused course includes the sharing of knowledge and practice materials such as forms and videos, checklists, and slide presentations from practices who have mastered premium implant cataract surgery.
The cost of the 2-day summit is $7,500. The fee includes all sessions, follow-up experiences, and materials for 2 attendees.